So a customer of mine has sent me over this pile of material, and what they want me to do is make a tire cover. And there is one special request behind this tire cover, that it must have this image behind me. Now this image he has sent me, so I just need to add a border to it, measure its size, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to print it on sublimation and sublimate it onto something that is an outdoor material that's got UV protection. Once we're done with that, we're going to go ahead and stitch it directly to this leather that was given to me, and then we can start making and constructing the actual tire cover. So let's go straight to printing and see what happens. So all I'm doing here is adding a circle border around this image, and the exact reason for it is so that when we are going to stitch and add our backing to this item, so that it stays nice and stiff, so that when it's actually on the car it doesn't wave around too much. Now that circle is going to be cut off, but before it is, it's hemmed and overlocked with the stiffener in it, so that he has a reference point of where he's supposed to be making the circle. So once we finish printing on our sublimation printer, all we need to do is go ahead and sublimate it. But here is the trick. The type of material that we are choosing to sublimate on has to be UV resistant. Otherwise, if you use a material such as mini matte or something else that's a bit stiffer like peach skin or microactive, if it has no UV protection in it, you must imagine that it's going to turn very dull very quickly, and you're going to lose ink on your actual item once it's outside in the sun. So the best thing to do is use something more of the lines for tarpaulin, or maybe even the stuff that you use to cover your gazebos. Now you have multiple items that you could choose from, but we chose a poly-coated interlock, which is a great material for this instance. It's going to be easy to clean with a hose pipe, and nothing's going to flake off or break off of it, and it's UV resistant, which is what we need. Once we're finished, we're going to head on over to our CMT division and stitch this thing together. So for the outer rim of the actual tire, the front piece, that is both made out of the leather. Now once we had cut those pieces together, before we go ahead and stitch the actual shape of the tire together, we need to go ahead and cut the front circle out of leather, as well as the actual printed and sublimated item as well. Once we've cut those circles out, what we need to do is add the stiffener to the back of the printed circle. Once we've done that, we can then go and overlock and hem the edge, which will remove that black border that we had printed. From there, we can now go ahead and do a straight stitch hidden in the actual overlock, which is stitched directly to this leather fabric. And that's how it looks like. It's going to be a patch that is embroidered and stitched onto the actual wheel cover. And once we've done the two front circles, then we can start adding our top rim and the back piece where we pull on the cord. Now I have sublimated a separate piece of material that is going to be a very hard substrate that you need to have the ripcord through, so that when you tie it, it's not going to slowly wear away at the material. So the material that we are using for the outer cover, which is this leather, is not going to be the same as where we pull our drawstring. That has to be much tougher and something more polyester and more synthetic than our actual leather. You don't want to wear out the leather in particular. And there you have it, guys, a completely done cover for this tire, and it's not going to come off at all once those drawstrings are tightened, and it looks really cool. This is the Wild Cody that basically hit the wall and stayed splat, and now that's attached to this tire. So now this is really cool. I hope the customer really enjoys this, and I had fun making one of these. So thank you again for watching. Go ahead and click that bell icon, give us a follow so that you can get a notification on the next video.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with AM.CO.za. For 11 years, they've been the leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC routers, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit am.co.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montague Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more info. am.co.za. Achievement matters.